Pet parrots can be incredible if demanding friends. But for people more accustomed to fluffy mammalian companions, they can present some unexpected challenges. The long-lived, intelligent, and highly social birds need especially high amounts of attention and enrichment, or else they can pick up bad habits and find themselves bored and stressed to the point where they pluck out their own feathers. While some pet parrots come from breeders, trade in exotic parrots is big business around the globe, and it contributes significantly to their decline in the wild. Thankfully, trafficking in wild birds has been less of a problem in the U.S.